Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, August 12th. Well, the big story this week will be another spectacular air mass heading into the northeastern part of the country for the second half of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday just look splendid in the northeastern part of the country, the Midwest, the Great Lakes, you name it. High temperatures will likely be in the 70s in most locations in the Mid-Atlantic region on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with very comfortable humidity levels as well. Another cool front will move through on the day Tuesday, and that'll pave the way for the very nice weather conditions coming our way for the second half of the week. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. A couple of frontal systems still kind of hanging around in the Mid-Atlantic region, but the main front on the picture this morning is way up here in Canada. This is the frontal system that will drop to the south and east over the next 24 hours or so, reaching the Mid-Atlantic coastline by later tomorrow. And there certainly can be some showers and thunderstorms, especially on the day Tuesday as this frontal system moves into the Mid-Atlantic region. But then that frontal passage will pave the way for just more spectacular weather on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Again, we've started off the month of August on a cool note, cooler than normal, some 3 degrees below normal so far in Philadelphia, 2 degrees in New York City. That certainly will increase some during the second half of the week as we'll, again, struggle to get out of the 70s in many Mid-Atlantic locations. The current normal high temperature is still around 86 degrees, for example, in Philadelphia, so we will be well below normal come Wednesday and Thursday and Friday of this week. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Some scattered, spotty shower and thunderstorm activity here in the northeastern part of the country. A little more numerous right now over the Great Lakes, and yet again another batch of heavy showers and thunderstorms over the middle part of the country. Places like Missouri and flash flood watches again. They've had been inundated with some heavy rain over the past several days. That continues this morning. Nice little spin in the atmosphere up here in southeastern part of Canada. Don't often see that this time of the year. A very healthy looking low pressure system, and indeed here's a cold frontal system driving to the south on the backside of this low pressure area, and this is where the cool front really gets its push over the next 24 hours or so as it heads into the eastern part of the U.S. Still lots of moisture out here over the Rockies, the monsoonal type moisture, plus there's an upper level disturbance that will enhance the shower and thunderstorm activity later today. Certainly can get some rainfall and some strong storms around Denver later on today. Still pretty dry pattern over the western part of the country along the west coast, for example. Continuation of the typical late night and early morning low clouds and fog with some afternoon clearing, but no rain in sight for Southern California. Here's the latest radar loop from the Penset EWAL site for the northeastern quadrant of the country. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the Mid-Atlantic I-95 corridor right now, and that'll tend to be the case for the rest of today and tonight. Some spotty showers and thunderstorms, more numerous right now over the Great Lakes region, and indeed we'll have more numerous showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday up and down the I-95 corridor. Some of those storms tomorrow could be on the strong side. We'll monitor that over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. All of it pushes off the East Coast by Wednesday, and Wednesday becomes mostly sunny with very comfortable conditions, and that beautiful weather will continue right through the end of the week. Well, let's take a look at a couple of forecast maps. This is from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. We're looking at tomorrow morning's forecast map. Then we'll look tomorrow evening, Tuesday evening, and finally Wednesday morning. The main player here by tomorrow morning will be this tremendous high pressure area, another Canadian-born high pressure system that will head from the south central part of Canada right into the northeastern part of the country by the latter part of the week. Let's now jump ahead to tomorrow evening's forecast map. By tomorrow evening, that frontal system will be right along the east coast. There again can be showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. And some of those storms again could be on the strong side. We'll monitor that over as we get closer to the event. Here's that high pressure still dominating the scene over the western part of the Great Lakes, and just about ready to pounce on the northeastern part of the country. In fact, let's take a look at Wednesday morning's forecast map. And here it is by Wednesday morning. That high pressure still anchored over the middle part of the country, but extending all the way into New England. It looks like a beautiful pattern of weather setting up for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it should continue into the weekend with below normal temperatures and very comfortable humidity levels as well. That's it for now for the SIweather.com. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.